Welcome to Bedtime Nook, a corner brimming with classic stories. Together, let's pull back the curtain of imagination and delve into a world of fantastical adventures. Let the magic of stories illuminate your senses.
Once upon a time, there was a curious child named Alex who lived in a vibrant little cottage on the edge of a bustling town. Alex loved colors, the blue of the sky, the green of the leaves, and the red of roses. But behind Alex's home, hidden by tall fences and forgotten by the townspeople, there was a garden that had lost all of its colors. One sunny morning, Alex discovered a narrow path leading to the garden. As they stepped into the garden, the air felt different. Everything turned to gray. In confusion, Alex met a weary butterfly who claimed to be the guardian of the rainbow. The butterfly sighed. "I am tired. The garden has lost its colors because I can't find the strength to spread my wings and sprinkle color over the garden." Determined to help, Alex asked, "What can I do to bring the colors back?" The rainbow guardian, fluttering its pale wings, explained, "In the center of the garden, hidden are 7 color crystals, each guarded by an animal. If you can gather them, I can restore the colors." And so, Alex's adventure began. First, Alex found the red crystal, guarded by a proud robin perched on a colorless tree. "To get the red crystal, you must show courage," chirped the robin. Alex climbed the tree, overcoming fear, and impressed by their bravery, the robin gave away the red crystal. Next was the orange crystal, hidden amongst the roots of a sleeping fox. "To get the orange crystal, you must be as quiet as a whisper," yawned the fox. Alex tiptoed, walking so softly that not even the dry leaves made a sound, satisfying the fox with this quietness, who then handed over the orange crystal. One by one, Alex met more guardians. A playful yellow canary who wanted a song, a serene green turtle seeking help with a puzzle, a smart blue dolphin eager to hear a story, an imaginative indigo cat longing for a painting, and a gentle purple owl eager to learn new things about the stars. With each challenge, Alex learned new things and earned the crystals, bringing colors to the rainbow guardian, now filled with energy. "Thank you, brave child," the radiant rainbow guardian said, and with a flick of its wings, colors burst forth, filling the garden with every imaginable hue. The townspeople gathered, amazed at the once hidden, now blossoming garden. From that day on, the garden became a place of joy, learning, and color, all thanks to the courage and kindness of a child named Alex. Thus, the secret garden was no longer a secret, becoming a place where everyone, especially Alex, could always find a rainbow.